Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing one of the most popular language learning apps that exist. It is Duolingo. Whether you are, brushing up on your Spanish or trying to tackle a new language like Japanese, or you're just looking to add on a new skill to your repertoire, Duolingo has been the go-to app for millions, if not billions of people to learn new languages. Today we'll be reviewing it, breaking it down into three main steps as of its architecture and functionality, its aesthetics, and its fitness for purpose, seeing if it works as it's supposed to. To begin with, let's talk about the architecture and functionality of the Duolingo app. The app follows a structured gamified learning approach, guiding its users through lessons and gradually increasing in its difficulty. The design is centered around a home screen that displays a learning path, where each lesson is represented as a checkpoint like in games. User progress through different units, unlocking new challenges as they go. One of the best aspects of Duolingo is its innovative layout. The navigation is smooth and everything is really easy to find. The streak system, daily challenges, and XP points keep users really motivated, while features like stories and podcasts provide an additional learning tool beyond its standard lessons. However, though, there are a few issues here and there. Some users find that the repetition of certain exercises, especially within the beginner levels, can feel very tedious. Also, while the AI-generated voiceovers for pronunciations are generally helpful, pretty good, they occasionally mispronounce words, which can be really frustrating to learners that are trying to really perfect their accents. Overall, though, Duolingo delivers a really solid learning structure that is very easy to follow of people of all ages. And now let's talk about more of the aesthetic sides of the Duolingo app. The app is more known for its bright and cheerful and welcoming designs. The color scheme primarily features most of the greens, yellows, and blues, creating a fun and friendly learning environment. The app's mascot, Duo the Owl, adds a really playful touch to the app. It pops up with certain motivational and sometimes guilt-tripping reminders to help people to keep learning. The layout is very well balanced, with a clean, rounded icons and an uncluttered interface. The animations, like say the confetti that pops up when you complete a lesson, adds to the gamified experience of the app. However, though, some users might find the cartoonish and gameful design to be a bit too playful, especially if they're looking for more of the professional and academic feel for their studies. That said, Duolingo does nail its aesthetic appeal, making learning feel like a game rather than a harshful chore. Makes it much better. Now for the main aspect of the discussion, the fitness for purpose. Does Duolingo accomplish what it actually sets out to do? The answer depends mostly on the user's learning goals. See, if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to practice your vocabulary and sentence structure, Duolingo excels at it. The bite-sized lessons are perfect for casual learners and those looking to build a habit of daily practice to build repetition. However, if you are aiming for the fluency and the perfection, Duolingo alone can get you there. The app lacks an in-depth grammar explanations, and conversation practice is very minimal. It's a great supplementary tool, but for very serious learners, it should be combined with certain other resources such as native conversations, textbooks, or tutor-led lessons to make it more helpful. Additionally, the free version does have frequent ads, which can very much disrupt the learning flow. While upgrading to the Super Duolingo removes ads and adds certain extra perks, some users might feel that The app's core content should be more robust without requiring a subscription. So, to say, overall, Duolingo is a really great starting point for new language learners. Its engaging design and gamified approach and the easy to use interface makes it a really great tool for beginners and casual learners for languages. While it's not really a one-stop shop for the fluency and perfection some people look for, it definitely helps build the foundational skills needed for most languages in a very fun and accessible way. Overall to say, it's all matters on how you want to learn languages and your learning goals. That's it for the app review for the Duolingo language app, and thank you for watching.